Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can reset the color settings for your windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So if by some mistake you have changed the color settings for your windows and you want to reset it to the default or to or its original setting, then let's go ahead for that. So click on the start button and then go to settings. On the left pane, you'll find system. Under System, you'll find this display, Monitors, Brightness, Night Light, and Display Profile. Click on that. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find related settings with Advanced Display, Display Information, Refresh Rate. Click on this. Then here, if you have multiple displays, then you can do this for all your display. Just simply search for that here. Just simply click on this drop-down menu and then choose the display where you want to reset the color settings. So if you have multiple displays, then you can choose for the display where you want to reset your color settings. Once done, click on this display adapter properties for display 1. Anyway, if you have multiple displays, the process is just the same. You just need to click on this display adapter properties for display 1, 2, under display information and click on this. Then here, a window will appear which has three tabs: adapter, monitor, and color management. Click on the color management. To adjust color management settings, click color management. So click on this. In here, another window will appear, which has devices, all profiles, and advanced tab. Click on the advanced tab. Then here you have this option at the bottom, change system defaults. Click on that. Then here, another window will appear which has devices, all profiles, and advanced tab. Click on the advanced tab. Then here, under display calibration, you have three choices. Now in my case, there are only two choices as the third choice is grayed out. So you need to choose. It doesn't matter about the third choice because what we are going to choose is use Windows display calibration. Check this box and then click on close and then click on close. Click on OK and then close this window and then just restart your computer. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. And once done, then you have just reset the color settings for your windows. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.